Hi, Dyslexic Genius here, Brad Hurt. We're back on the Victor 4 outside horn basket case machine. My phone number is 864-236-1680, or you can email me at dyslexicgeniushurt@gmail.com. Now that I have the gear off and I've cleaned the gear, you have to check the gear. You remember I talked about the winding gear and the crank here, and that fits in here. Well, imagine that the spring barrel comes up here. The hole in the gear here, in the brass gear, you can see this wiggles a little. Okay? So when you do this, you want to look at this gear and you want to look at that hole. And if that hole is oblong, like an A, or when it fits in like this, because it rides right here. If it's really, really loose, then this is going to have to be bushed if this gear is good. This gear has a little bit of wear, so I'm going to do the flip. And these are things you have to look at. I cleaned it. I took the gear out, and as of my Edison, I talked about the other gear. I have this tool I use to hold the gear. I just flip it around, and I cleaned all the teeth, and I checked everything. I've cleaned the spring barrel out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my metal little strip. I'm going to get all the gooey crap out that I don't like. I always do the dirty stuff first. And then I'll put it in my simple grain 50-50 with water, and I'll let it soak overnight, and then tomorrow it'll just clean up real nicely for me when I go back to work. These are just little things to look at. And you always want to do this when you look at the gear. You want to see if it's boogered up, it's beat up on the side. And I had that video I showed you how to clean it up with the jeweler's files. This is a lot of fun, and that's my tip for the day.